What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for checking your girl out. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my 5 must-have fall makeup items. I don't know about y'all, but fall is when I bring the beat, okay? I do the most makeup in the fall time. In the summertime, I like to keep it a little cute. I like to keep it cute, nice, simple, natural, and keep it moving because the sun is hot as hell and my face will be melted on the ground. But in the fall time where I live, it gets really cold and I experience winters. So I tend to do a lot with my makeup because I know my makeup is going to be on point all day. So if you're interested in seeing my 5 must-have makeup items for fall, let's get started. If your foundation ain't right, forget it. So the first item is foundation, okay? And not just any foundation, a hydrating foundation. And I recommend this for all skin types because when you're oily, you get dry in the winter. And when you're dry, you become drier. You become a crisp in the winter time. So I recommend a hydrating foundation because it just works a lot better, especially if you live in a colder climate. It will keep your skin really nice and hydrated and you'll be able to wear your makeup comfortably and you won't feel like you want to take it off. So definitely a hydrating foundation. You need to make sure your base is right for you before you even begin the rest of your makeup, okay? That's number 1. Foundation is everything. As you can see, I'm rocking a bold lip right now, okay? And it just brings the look up. So I definitely recommend bold lip colors. Definitely want to find your staple red, your staple brown, your staple purple, whatever color you like to use on your lips as a bold color. Definitely find your perfect match. I tend to stick to the reds and browns, but you can do whatever. Currently I'm wearing the Fenty Mattemoiselle lip in Madame. It's a really nice red and it complements my skin tone very nicely. So obviously, of course, it doesn't have to necessarily be this red. Just find a color that works really well for your skin and that you're happy with. And then the next color I recommend is Antique Velvet from MAC. It is one of my all-time favorite brown colors. I wear this a lot during the winter time. And last but not least, I recommend Sin from MAC also. So I really like Sin because it's a nice in-between. It's as if Madame and Antique Velvet had a baby, and it gives you the nice ready undertones, but it still has a bit of plum and brown in it. So these are like my go-to lip colors for the fall. If you know me, I love a natural base with dramatic eyes. So you already know I had to recommend eyeshadow palettes. So I have 2 recommendations for you all. Today, this is my go-to. It is my ride or die. This is the Urban Decay On The Run palette. I love this palette specifically for fall for these 2 rows. So from here all the way back down to here, I think these colors are so beautiful. They give you warmth, they give you pops of color. You can do smoky eye, you can do a bright look, you can do a natural look. You can do so many things with this palette. The options are endless. The second palette I have to recommend is the Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette. Come on, look at this palette. Tell me it doesn't scream fall. I just think this is a really nice basic palette that you can use in conjunction with other palettes, and also if you're really into just all matte eyeshadow looks, you would definitely love this palette. What is your eye makeup without your mascara? So definitely, I just recommend a mascara in general. I'd love to pile on my mascara if I'm not wearing falsies. 9 times out of 10 I am wearing falsies, but when I'm not wearing falsies, I love the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. I think it does such a great job of lengthening my lashes but also making them look thick and just like in your face. And I love a really good lash just all year round, but especially for fall because I know I'll be wearing like more heavier eye makeup. So definitely a mascara is great for fall. So lastly, I recommend a eyeliner. It could be liquid, it could be cream, it could be kohl, it could be pencil base, it doesn't really matter. I love using a black eyeliner or a brown eyeliner or even a colored eyeliner to just create a lot of smoke around my eyes. So definitely recommend an eyeliner. I feel like it does a really good job of taking your looks to the next level. And also if you're doing a very natural look, you can get away with a really nice cat wing eyeliner and bold lip. Girl, you know where I'm going. So definitely a eyeliner. All right, y'all, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love if you commented down below and let me know what are some of your staple must-have makeup items for your fall look. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on Monday because that's when I upload. All right, bye, girl. Whoa, sis, that is not okay. So what we're not gonna do is act like that's not a problem. That's not what we're gonna do.